land revenue system in India. Permanent settlement, introduced in 1793 by Lord Cornwallis, covering Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Banaras, and parts of northern Madras, aimed to provide financial stability to East India Company and fixing land revenue permanently. परमानेंट सेटलमेंट, जिसे जमींदारी सेटलमेंट के नाम से भी जानते थे, इस 1793 में कॉर्नवालिस भाई जी लाए। बंगाल, बिहार, उड़ीसा, बनारस एंड सम पार्ट ऑफ नदर्न मद्रास, एम फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी फॉर ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी बाय फिक्सिंग लैंड रेवेन्यू परमानेंटली। जमींदार की फीचर्स, जमींदार वर ग्रांटेड proprietary rights and become landowner. एक सेकेंड, where is my phone? मालिकाना अधिकार, जमींदार become a owner of land. Revenue was fixed permanently at high rate and had to be paid regardless any agriculture condition. Zamindar was allowed to keep 1/10 to 1/11 revenue and give rest to the company. Under sunset clause, failure to pay tax on time led to the auctioning of the zamindari. Effect: absentee of landlordism. Exploitation of cultivator, sub-undue feudation become common. Land was divided and leased to patnidar. Frequent auctioning of zamindari due to inability to pay taxes. Rayatwari settlement implemented in parts of Madras and Bombay Presidency in early 19th century, pioneered by Thomas Munro and Alexander Reed. उसे कॉर्नवालिस लेके आए थे और इसे मुनरो एंड अलेक्जेंडर रीड लेके आए थे. Revenue settlement was made directly with individual cultivator, bypassing zamindar. Recognize cultivator as a land owner. Revenue was paid to be ranged to 45 and 55 based on estimate production of land. Settlement was temporary and revised periodically, typically every 20 to 30 years. Effect: created system where the government become ultimate landlord. Excessive taxation led to impoverishment and indebtedness of cultivator, often forcing them to be money launderer. Arbitrary assessment, lack of proper survey led to seawards exploitation. Mahalwari settlement introduced in northwestern province. नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न प्रोवेंस, सेंट्रल प्रोवेंस एंड पंजाब। इसमें थॉमस मुनरो था और एलेक्जेंडर रीड थे। इसमें देखते हैं इसमें कौन है। इसमें हॉल्ट मैकेंजी है। हॉल्ट मैकेंजी एंड रेगुलेशन 7 ऑफ 1822। Revenue settlement was made with entire village mahal, which was collectively responsible for payment. Lumbardar, village headman acted as an intermediary. Revenue assessment based on the estimate producer. Lumbardar. High assessment led to widespread disposal. Over time estimate working price of construction and modified. फॉल्ट मैकेनिज्म ठीक है। अंडर रेतवारी प्रेजेंट बार डायरेक्ट हम देखते हैं क्या क्वेश्चन आया था। with the reference of computer following second option ठीक है। अंडर द परमानेंट सेटलमेंट इन बंगाल, ये तो पैसे ही गलत है। under the present settlement only 2 answers ठीक है। what was the reason for Mahatma Gandhi organized सत्याग्रह in Kheda? The not suspending in spite of drought. Only one answer is 60 का। with reference to Rotwari settlement consider the following. The rent was paid directly by the peasant to the government. सही है। The government gave pattas to the ये पानी। The land survey and access report being test. सी है क्या 35 का? गवर्नमेंट के पट्टा टू लॉयर, ये भी कर लेता हूँ भाई, ये भी ठीक है। Rotwari peasant are responsible to paying, however they require the worker to pay during bad harvest in natural climate. Legal system burdensome for cultivars. The reason demand of land is untapped and the tendency of increased litigation was visible after introduction land settlement of India loan policy. The reason for this normally trace which of the following provision में making जमींदारी पोजीशन stronger vice versa to lawyer, making East India Company over landlord of जमींदार। सी है, डी है, डी ठीक है। थैंक यू। who among the following associated with introduced Rotwari system? जिस बंदे ने पढ़ लिया होगा ना वो बंदा इस क्वेश्चन को इजी ठीक कर देगा। एलेक्जेंडर रीड एंड थॉमस मुनरो 2017 में। तो 2017 का PYQ पढ़ा था वो 2024 में वैसे जीत जाएगा। सी 2017 का जी, थैंक यू।